15 Pro Max is here, guys, which means only one thing. It's time for cases, so let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are, 15 Pro Max is here, which means only one thing. It's time for cases, so let's get stuck in. Big shout out to the guys at Casekoo for sending over the new Magic Stand cases for the 15 Pro Max. So let's get these unboxed and get a look at them. So we have a grey version, and inside we have stickers and stuff, which is grand. And then we have, ooh, that's nice. So that's a blue with like a misty colour on it. That's nice. It seems like all these Magic Stand cases as well are all misty. Let me see, I'll open this one up and it'll all be clear. No, it's misty as well, thankfully. So, there we go. So we have the blue, the black, and the grey. So, first off, now if you've watched my previous videos for the 14 Pro Max, these are very, very similar in design. We have that sort of misty colouring on the back of the case. We have the Magic Stand ring, which is very, very good. Camera bump. On the side here, you'll see then we have the new button layout for the 15 Pro Max. So we have the volume up and down buttons, and we have the action button, whereas before we just had a cutout for the flicker silent switch. So that's no longer there. We've got our power button here as normal, and our Casekoo branding as well. You can see here we've got this sort of cutout into the side, which kind of helps with grip, and we have it on both sides as well, and we have a lanyard loophole as well. For all you lanyard people, wherever you are, I don't know if that's such a thing, but there you go. So that's the black. The blue, it's exactly the same. We have our button layout, exact same on this side, same design, same everything really, and this blue ring to match the colour, and then grey. So great, the grey is quite nice actually. If you are looking at picking up the 15 Pro Max in any of the colours, you'll be able to get the black, the grey, or the blue, and these will match really, really well. So no issues. It'll also go well with the white one. So let's get this started. Let's just weigh these cases. First up with the black, 50 grams. 50 grams for the grey, 50 grams for the blue. Pretty consistent, pretty good build quality there as well. Can't fault that at all. So as mentioned, we have our new button layout here for the iPhone 15. In below them we've got our cutouts for our speakers and our USB-C port. It's going to be weird saying that for the first time, USB-C iPhone. It's alright, we'll get through it. And as I mentioned then as well, we have our lanyard cutout there as well for people that use lanyards. I've never seen anybody use a lanyard on a case. Bit weird. Whatever. So let's check this out. So I've got the blue 15 Pro Max here. So it would only be fitting if we start with the blue. So let's just pop it in there. And yeah, look at that. That's a very, very nice case. And the blue colouring of that kickstand ring, I really, really do like it. So it goes really, really well with the new iPhone. So let's just check the buttons. So volume buttons. Great, click in responsive. Action button. It's really good, click in responsive. And the power button as well, perfect. Screen lip then, as you can see, the lip does come up over the display, so you are going to get a decent amount of protection. When you set that down flat, it's not going to rub against the surface, you're not going to get any issues there. And as well, if you look at the camera bump, you can see those lenses do not protrude out of that camera bump, so when you set that down flat, it's not going to scuff up those lenses, which is what you want. And I will say this feels really, really nice. It does have it's like a silicone type bumper. I'm not mad at it. It's a slim feeling case, and yeah, I do like it, and I feel that it's a case that would wear quite well. And then as well, you do have the added kickstand. So if you want to watch content on your phone, or if you want to set it up right to try and maybe take a photo, or if you're on a FaceTime call or something like that, it's going to be really, really good for that. So, and then you're not losing any MagSafe capabilities with it either, which is a fantastic thing, because then you can just fold it up and away you go. So I do really like that case, and I think that colour goes really well with the blue. What do you think? It's really nice. Really, really nice. And of course, we have Magsafe, so we can do a Magsafe test with this. So if this is the first time you're catching one of my case review videos, my Magsafe tests are very, very simple. They consist of me just this little Magsafe stand, which weighs over 200 grams. I test to see if the magnets in the mount can take the weight of the phone, and I also see if the phone can take the weight of this mount. So if we can manage to do a Magsafe test without this thing falling off, well then it's pretty good, and it should withstand your everyday usage, you know, like being in the car or that kind of thing. So yeah, so let's check it out. Because this is a Magic Stand case, if you didn't catch my 14 Pro Max version of this video, the stand opened up and the phone fell forward like that. So I'll do this MagSafe test from the side so that we're just testing the strength of the magnets and not the, yeah, because, yeah. So here we go. There we go. Those are really, really good magnets, really decent. And if I take the phone and shake the stand about, the stand is not coming off. So if you're going to be in the car, or if you have mounts on your desk, or anywhere that you're going to stick this phone on a mount, rest assured these magnets are really, really good. They're not going to drop this phone unless the hinge breaks and it falls forward like that. But even still, the magnets are still holding, as you can see. So it is relatively decent, I will say, and the hinge on the mag stand as well is really, really good. So I can't really see it falling out, to be honest. So yeah, it's really good. And just for completion then, we will just switch this over from the blue. We'll just try the black one. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any of the other colors of the iPhone because I'm not rich, but there we go. That is the black case inside the blue phone. What do you guys think? It's really nice. So for completion, we'll just do a MagSafe test as well. As you can see, the mount and the phone, decent, really, really decent. We have no issues there with magnet strength. And lastly, we'll just do the grey. One thing I have noticed, every time I sort of put a case into the phone, I always would have hit the rocker switch, you know, the flicker switch for the silent. It's strange that I don't do that anymore, and it's just a button. It's very strange. It'll take a bit of getting used to after years of being on the iPhone. But there's the grey. And it's a very fresh colour as well. Very, very nice. And for completion, yeah, those magnets are great. They are really decent. I cannot fault them whatsoever. And it's another decent looking case as well. So I'm pretty sure like these cases will go really well with any colour of 15 Pro Max. I have no doubt about that. I really do like the blue, but then that's because I went for the blue phone this year. So, but even just putting these cases on the blue phone, I'm not mad at it. It looks really well. So what do you guys think? Which is your favorite color, and what color 15 Pro Max have you picked up? Let me know in the comments down below. If you are interested in picking up any of these cases, I have an affiliate link and a discount code in the description down below. So if you check that out, you will get discount off these cases from Casekoo. So yeah, if you are looking for any of these, hit me up. Affiliate links don't cost you guys any more money, but they will help support the channel. So if you do pick up using my codes and my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked to the channel. I'm coming thick and fast with the 15 Pro Max cases. I have a lot of brands and a lot of cases sitting here waiting for you guys. So if you want to see more cases for the 15 Pro Max, keep it locked to the channel, guys. And if you want more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.